Hey pizza lovers, Brielle here from Rick's Review Hub. Craving pizzeria quality pies without leaving your kitchen? Today, we're firing up the Crust countertop electric indoor commercial pizza oven, a stainless steel beast that bakes 14-inch pizzas in under 30 minutes. Want to know if it's your ticket to pizza perfection? Stick around and check the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's get cooking. First, let's talk about features. This 2000-watt oven reaches 662 degrees Celsius, perfect for crispy crusts and melty cheese. It fits 14-inch pizzas or two 10-inch pies on its ceramic stone with independent top and bottom heating for even baking. The 30-minute timer and digital controls make it easy to use, and the stainless steel body is durable for home or small business use. It includes a viewing window, interior light, and cooling vents for safe operation, plus a pizza peel for easy handling. Now the pros, this oven rocks. I baked a pepperoni pizza in 12 minutes with a golden, crispy crust and perfectly melted cheese, restaurant quality, no doubt. The dual heating elements give you control over crust and toppings, and it's super easy to clean with a damp cloth. At around $700, it's a great value for home chefs or food trucks wanting commercial-grade results. The compact size fits most countertops, and the included peel is a nice touch. But there are cons. It's heavy at 55 pounds, so moving it isn't easy. The preheat takes about 20 minutes, which is slower than outdoor gas ovens. Some users report uneven browning if you overload it, and a few noted minor shipping damage or loose knobs, so check your unit carefully. It's electric only, so no wood-fired flavor, and you'll need a dedicated outlet for its power draw. I recommend the Crust countertop pizza oven for home cooks or small businesses wanting fast, reliable pizza making indoors. It's ideal for pizza nights or catering, but if you crave smoky flavor or need portability, an outdoor oven like Uni might be better. This one's a solid pick for most pizza fans. Ready to bake like a pro? Click the link in the description to grab the Crust countertop pizza oven on Amazon for the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Your support keeps these reviews sizzling. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching. Let's keep the pizza party going.